great collection, from one collection to another collection of songs. This is from Orhan and Gael, or Carmina Gadelica, which is a collection of 6 volumes of folklore and prayers and incantations and folklore, basically, from the Gaels, particularly of the Western Isles, west of Scotland, collected by Alexander Carmichael in the late 1800s. And this is one of the, we're quite interested in a lot of the stuff is quite religious, but there's also underlying pagan, Celtic pagan elements coming in. In this song, you have things like trolls and fairies and banshees and monsters and things which roam the glens of the Highlands. So it's called Yannichria Nam Flavia.
Yeah.